guys, what's up? It's Emily here. So I have a package to unbox. I'm pretty excited. I didn't know what it was because I checked the stuff I ordered from eBay and it didn't say anything was delivered, so I had to open it up. I wasn't gonna open this up like kind of closer to Christmas since it was for Christmas, but I kind of want to open it now. So what it is, it's a Build-A-Bear. It's the bat. Not the one for this year, but it was another one. I think it was like 2016. It's black and it's red, and I really wanted it. I was trying to get it unstuffed, but I couldn't find it unstuffed. So I got it one that is stuffed. My boyfriend asked him to get it for me for an early Christmas present, so I have it here. So I didn't open it up, but I peeked and I could see its feet, so I could tell what it was. So I'm just gonna unbox. It's pretty shoved in this box pretty well. I didn't know what it was because I was like, this cannot be it because this is pretty, like, not that big of a box. But let's open it up. So, really excited. It's snowing actually right now, so I was just like, oh my god, hopefully this is not wet. But I watched the mailman and dropped it off, so luckily I was here to get it because I actually came home from work. So here it is. I'm not gonna look. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest thing ever. This is honestly the cutest thing. Oh my goodness. So this is like brand new. She said it was brand new. Got it for like 30 bucks. That's like with shipping. I think it was like 32 or 30 or something. But look how cute she is. So I think I might wash her maybe, just to give a clean wash, and someone did have it even though it was new. So technically it glows in the dark too. She's supposed to glow in the dark, like her ears here, and I think her feet's supposed to as well. But I just think she's so cute. They had another one that was like, I think it was like pink, purple kind of, which was a whole bunch of colors, and they had like stars as it's like, you know, wings, feet, and whatnot, which I think that one's cute as well. But I think this one's more as a cute bat because it's black and then it's like red, you know what I mean? It's a lot more cuto. So yeah, oh my god, this is so cute. I love it so much. So yeah, I really just wanted to show you guys this. I think this is the cutest thing ever. So I'm going to show you guys my Halloween Build-A-Bears that I have as right now that I made. The Build-A-Bears that I have, this one is my older one I made when I was little. Well, this is my Halloween ones, if I didn't say that. I have tons of other ones, but these are my Halloween ones. So I have this cute little purple cat. I think she's really adorable. She even has a really cute bow on the back. So yeah, I don't know what I named her, but I think I named her Purple though. Like something really simple like that. So this is so really cute. I love when they make cats like this in the version, instead of like more the people wise, because it kind of gives you more that real effect to it. So yeah, she's really cute. Then the newer ones, I have this cute little ghost plush, and I love her so much. I made this like, I think, yeah, it was 2 days before my birthday. And of course it was like 3 days before Halloween. So yeah, really cute. I got her unstuffed from eBay. So yeah, and I even have these cute little shoes I found at Build-A-Bear. They're like pumpkin elf shoes. I think it's so cute. And then a little pumpkin there as well. And then I just put these bows on her because I think it would make her look a little bit more festive. And she has the smell of marshmallow in her. So it's not really that strong of a smell, but you can smell a little bit when you get close to her head. So yeah, she's really cute. So the next one I have, I just made this just last week. I don't know when I'm going to upload this video, so it might be a while ago. But I made it in November. So yeah, the ghost was December. No, the ghost was October. I really don't know. It is snowing, so I have December on my mind. I feel like it's Christmas already. But anyways, so I have this cute little skeleton bear, and the locals love this. So I also got this stuff on eBay as well. So it's really cute. He has like, you know, his skeleton. He even has a cute little orange heart there, and then that's his cute little face. So cute. And then this is a bottom. This is just orange. So yeah, he's really cute, and he's all black. He has the smell, I don't know what it's called, but it basically just smells like straight up sugar. It's more like a goldy kind of scent in a way. It was this like pink and sparkly scent. I think it was like something with rainbows or something. It had a photo of rainbows, I'm pretty sure, on it. So I think it was like sprinkles or something. I'm not too sure, but it smells straight up like candy. And it's really strong actually. But yeah, I love this bear so much. I went with my boyfriend to make this bear. And then the ghost, I went with one of my best friends to make it. So yeah, I love these two so much. And then I have the collection of the bat as well. So these are so cute. The only ones I'm missing is the zombie bear and then the mummy bear. Which the zombie bear is really cute, but it's going for way too much money, and I don't really like. It's cute, but I don't really care for it that much to get it. I really wanted the bat because I love bats, and I really want a ghost plush, and then this was just too cute not to pass on this. So yeah, so now I have all three of them, and I think it's so cute. And of course I have my cat as well. I know they do have other cat plushes as well that's super cute as well, but I kind of like my Halloween purple cat. So it would be cute to have a black cat, but I like my purple cat here that I have. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, of course, another Halloween themed video as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you can watch more of my Halloween themed videos. Thank you guys.